Making $100,000 in a year is not as difficult as you think. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer, there are specific strategies you can use to help you achieve your goal. Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will discuss how to make $100,000 in a year. We will explore some of the best ways how to make $100,000 in a year. So whether you're looking to earn an extra income or want to know how to make a six-figure salary, what's more for tips and advice that can help get you there. The first on the list is to start a business and become an entrepreneur. Starting a business is not for the faint of heart. It requires hard work, dedication, and a bit of luck. But for those willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be significant. One way to make $100,000 in 1 year is to start a business and become an entrepreneur. Of course, this is easier said than done. But with a solid business plan and perseverance, it is possible to achieve this goal. The key is identifying a market need and developing a product or service that meets that need. Once you have a successful business up and running, the sky is the limit. So if you're looking for a way to make $100,000 in 1 year, starting your own business may be the answer. Second, choose a career that offers the potential to make a high income. Individuals who want to earn a six-figure income should focus on choosing a job with the potential to make a high income. While there are no guarantees in life and no one can predict the future with absolute certainty, certain professions have a proven track record of enabling people to earn a high income. For example, investment banking, consulting, and law careers tend to offer higher salaries than jobs in other industries. In addition, people willing to work hard and take risks are often rewarded with high incomes. While it may not be easy to make $100,000 in 1 year, it is certainly possible for those willing to put in the effort and make intelligent choices. The third way how to make $100,000 in a year is to invest time and energy into developing your skills and abilities. While there are many ways to make money, one of the most reliable methods is to invest in yourself. By creating your skills and abilities, you can increase your earning potential and set yourself up for long-term success. While getting started may take some time and effort, the rewards can be significant. For example, if you can increase your income by 10% each year, you'll make over $100,000 within 3 years. Of course, this is just one example. The amount you earn will depend on your particular skills and abilities. However, if you're willing to invest in yourself, there is no limit to what you can achieve. Fourth, invest money wisely and make wise financial decisions. Investing money wisely is one of the best ways to make a lot of money in a short period. However, it is essential to remember that there is always some risk involved in investing. It is crucial to make wise financial decisions and diversify your investments. One way to diversify your investments is to invest in different assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Another way to diversify your investments is to invest in various types of companies, such as small businesses, large businesses, and international businesses. By diversifying your investments, you can minimize the risk and maximize your potential for making a lot of money. The fifth way is to negotiate your salary and ask for a raise. While it may seem daunting, negotiating your salary is essential in today's job market. If you're looking to earn a six-figure salary, one of the best things you can do is negotiate your salary and ask for a raise. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Do your research. Know your worth and the going rate for your position and industry. This will help you come into the negotiation with facts and figures. Don't be afraid to ask. The worst that can happen is that your employer says no. But if you don't ask, you'll never know what could have been. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. 6. Get a second job. Getting a second job is an excellent option if you want to earn an extra $100,000 in 1 year. There are several ways to find a second job, such as through a temp agency, an online job board, or by contacting businesses directly. While finding a second job may take effort, the extra income can be well worth it. In addition, having a second job can also help to diversify your income and protect you in case of job loss. The seventh way how to make $100,000 in a year is to live below your means and save as much money as possible. One of the most important things you can do if you want to make $100,000 in 1 year is to live below your means and save as much money as possible. This may seem complicated, but it is achievable if you're creative and disciplined. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Firstly, look closely at your spending habits and see where you can cut back. Do you need that daily coffee? Could you buy your clothes from cheaper stores? Are there any unnecessary costs that you can get rid of? Once you have identified areas where you can save, make a budget and stick to it. Secondly, make sure that you are making the most of all the money that comes in. If you receive a bonus at work or a tax refund, for example, just don't blow it on something frivolous. Put it straight into savings. Every little bit counts when trying to reach a goal like this. If you follow these tips, live below your means and save as much money as possible, you stand a good chance of making $100,000 in 1 year. It takes dedication and discipline, but it is achievable if you set your mind. 8. Make a budget and stick to it. If you want to make $100,000 in 1 year, one of the best things you can do is create a budget and stick to it. A budget will help you to track your income and expenses and see where you can save money. There are several different ways to create a budget, such as using a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or pen and paper. Once you have completed your budget, review it regularly and make adjustments. 9. Have multiple streams. If you want to make $100,000 in 1 year, it's essential to have multiple income streams. This means having more than one source of income, such as a job, investments, or side hustles. Having multiple income streams will help protect you if one source dries up and increase your chances of reaching your goal. The 10th way to make $100,000 in a year is to have a positive mindset and believe in yourself. One of the most important things you can do if you want to make $100,000 in 1 year is to have a positive mindset and believe in yourself. When you set your mind to achieving a goal, anything is possible. So if you're serious about making $100,000 in 1 year, start believing it is possible. Then, take action and put together a plan to make it happen. If you stay positive and stay focused, you will achieve your goal. These are 10 of the best ways how to make $100,000 in a year. If you're looking for ways to make extra money, these tips should help you get started. Remember, producing $100,000 in 1 year will not be easy, but it is achievable if you're dedicated and disciplined. So get started today and see how far you can go. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.